Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to clear cache Safari browser on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on settings, then scroll down until you find Safari, then tap on it, scroll down and tap clear historic and website data. Here you can remove the historic data for the last hour or today and yesterday, or all history. I tap all history and switch on close all tabs and tap clear history. So that's it. Now come back to Safari. Congratulations, the Safari browser cache has been successfully cleared. Thanks so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you to the next video.